Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. In this video I will show you how you can do this viral add yours Instagram trends, so keep on watching. First of all, you will have to go to your Instagram app and then click on the search icon, and then you have to search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. So this is the place where you will find that add yours sticker. Now you have to go to October add yours at highlights, which is here. In this highlight you will find that sticker. You can tap and you will find it right here. Now you have to click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, once I'll do the story for the video, I'll show you from where you can get a YouTube tutorial to help you solve your problem. But first, let me do the story and afterwards I will show you that tutorial. So now you can go to your uploads and choose a photo for your background. I will go with this photo right here. Now you can place your sticker where you want, make it bigger or smaller. And you just have to share this with your friends. So guys, now if you are not able to click on the add yours button, what can you do? You have to go once again on my Instagram profile to Ali and John YTT, but this time you will have to go to super viral at highlights. Click on that and here you will find this first story. Not able to click on add yours button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here where the arrow points, and it will get you to my YouTube channel, to a video which has only 2 minutes. It's super easy to follow and it will definitely help you, so make sure to click on that if you are not able to click on the add yours button. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can comment in the comment section down below your thoughts about this add yours sticker. You can like the video and you can also subscribe to our channel for more trends like this. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.